Bitcoin is starting to break out right now, and a massive short squeeze is going to be inevitable. So we are going to need to be talking about this exactly. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? Can we be breaking above this very important level of resistance? Well guys, can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in the short term, Bitcoin is still just consolidating underneath this level of resistance, trying to be breaking back above it inside of this ascending triangle that we are right now forming. Now, if we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, I do want to be seeing this break today and not tomorrow, because of course tomorrow we are once again going to be trading inside of a weekend, but I will be talking about that exactly a little bit more tomorrow. Anyways, if we are going to be creating any kind of a significant move, I would like to be seeing it today. And yes, if we are just going to be zooming in a little bit more on that hourly time frame, we can start to have a look into what's a new symmetrical triangle being formed, or at least this very important level of support over here and a new level of resistance for Bitcoin. Now, it just depends on how you want to be drawing it, because at this time you can also still draw it like this. And in this case, well, we are still trying to be breaking above this level of resistance over here. But yeah, first of all, we need to be making this third touch point, and then we can be having a look into this symmetrical triangle over here and a possible breakout towards the upside. Not right now, we still need to be confirming our third touch point. Anyways, in my opinion, still, this is going to be the most important level for Bitcoin to be breaking back above. If we're going to be having a look into this chart over here, we can clearly be seeing that it acted as a massive support over here, but we fell down below right now, and we need to be getting back above. Otherwise, we are just going to be confirming a bearish retest right now, and that would definitely be very bad for the Bitcoin price if we were going to be doing this. Now, do keep in mind that right now we might be seeing a big short squeeze incoming, because during this whole range over here, well, a lot of Bitcoin traders have kept on shorting the Bitcoin price, which of course is causing the Bitcoin funding rates to actually become negative, or at least extremely low. And whenever the majority of the Bitcoin market is actually trading short, that is actually just adding more liquidity on that top side. And like you can be seeing over here, yes, right now we are starting to form a lot of liquidity on that top side right now above this level of resistance. So yes, if we are going to be grabbing that liquidity, if we're going to be liquidating all of these short positions, we are going to be breaking above a massive level. So that would be extremely bullish for the Bitcoin markets. If we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, all of these positions that have been getting opened, well, these are going to be getting liquidated. And we can be seeing it on multiple charts. We can be seeing it over on this chart. Generally, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are negative or extremely low, that has been a very good moment to buy. Like you can be seeing over here, very good moment to buy. Like you can be seeing over here, very good moment to buy at this bear market bottom. Like you can be seeing over here, also very good moment to buy. Like you can be seeing in the previous bull market right over here was exactly that bottom over here. Boom, we went towards the upside. Right now, once again, the funding rates are negative, so generally a very good moment to buy at this current moment. The majority of the Bitcoin traders are right now trading short, and that is definitely indicating that a massive short squeeze is going to be inevitable during a Bitcoin bull market. So anyways, having a look into what's the exact details, we can be having a look into what's around $1 billion of short liquidations getting hit if we're going to be breaking above that approximately 62k level. So yeah, breaking above this level of resistance over here is going to be causing of about $1 billion in Bitcoin shorts getting liquidated. So let's see if that is going to be happening. Anyways, for now, for the Bitcoin price, I would still expect some more further consolidation until we are eventually going to be seeing a break towards the upside, or of course towards the downside, like I've been talking about for the past couple of days. Both scenarios could still be happening. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look into what's the stock market, yes, once again, yesterday, well, the Americans have once again been selling off a lot of Bitcoin. Now, also the stock market itself has seen a little bit of a correction and a little bit of a cool off right over here, but we can still be seeing that the greater trend is right now that Bitcoin is still lagging behind in this continuation phase of the stock market, while Bitcoin is still sidewaysly consolidating, waiting until we are going to be getting this massive breakout. Right now, Bitcoin's price is getting suppressed, but I think eventually whenever we are going to be getting this breakout, well, it is going to be catching up with a massive move back towards the upside, like we have already seen for the stock market. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in taking advantage of this massive new move that is about to come for Bitcoin, make sure to check out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus, and on top of that, you can also be claiming a $500 free trade. So that is going to be absolutely insane. Just click on that first link down below, sign up a new account, and there you go. You can be claiming a $500 free trade, which with this free trade, you can be literally making thousands and thousands of US dollars from. So check it out. Anyways, guys, Bitcoin on that larger time frame is still just consolidating over here. It is the same old story all over again. Right now, we are trading inside of this summer. So yes, it is still very boring during this summer, like we can be usually seeing. Also, during last summer, we saw some very boring consolidation. Now, we ended this consolidation, this very boring consolidation, with this pattern over here. And after that pattern, we broke it towards the upside. We got a massive move towards the upside. And right now, we are doing the same exact thing. We are ending this consolidation with some kind of a consolidation pattern. So let's see if we are going to be seeing this bullish breakout, or let's see if we are going to be just consolidating for a little bit longer over here. But let's see if we're going to be getting this bullish breakout. That is ultimately going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. I think we can definitely be seeing a big move being created. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look in towards this chart, this is making me feel so bullish, because still at this moment, while the Bitcoin price is a little bit downtrending, right, more liquidity is coming in towards the market. The Tether market cap is still increasing. Tether is still printing more and more USD Tether. So yeah, for example, we can be seeing the same exact thing happening over here, right? Tether's market cap still increasing, Tether still printing even more money, while Bitcoin went towards the downside. This was a big divergence, which we have seen, which ultimately catched up with a big move towards the upside. Right now, we are seeing the same exact thing. Tether's market cap is increasing, while the Bitcoin price is actually decreasing. Eventually, we are going to be seeing this big catch up with a big move towards the upside getting created for Bitcoin. So yeah, more liquidity right now coming in towards the Bitcoin market, or in towards the crypto market. Well, this is getting me very bullish right now. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.